Switch on the machine. The manufacturer, make and software version will appear on the display screen. Proceed to start up the machine. Choose manual work mode. Place the wire feeder switches and regulator in the maximum position. Press the two arrows and the mode button at the same time for 3 seconds. Reference initialization will be displayed on the screen. Adjust the Synergic 0 with the wire feeder regulator. To do this, choose the meters minute option on the bottom display and set to 10 on the wire feeder and screen. Finally, press both arrows for 3 seconds. Factory will appear on the screen. The machine is ready to operate.